Welcome to Sari 11 Craft and Decor Inspiration Hub. We're delighted to have you here. Explore creative ideas and learn how to make beautiful decor and crafts. Be sure to subscribe to stay updated with our latest projects and tips. Thank you for joining us. Let's get inspired and start creating today. Into a winter wonderland. We've got you covered. Stay tuned as we share tips on garden decor, its importance, and how to refresh your garden all year round. Today, we explore profitable wood projects that can transform your creative skills into a steady income. Wood crafts are timeless, versatile, and in high demand. Stay tuned to discover some of the best ideas to start your profitable journey. One popular project is creating custom wooden planters. They appeal to garden lovers and home decorators alike. You can craft unique designs, personalize with paint, and market them online or at local markets. These small but profitable items require minimal investment and have high profit margins. Next, consider making wooden wall art or decorative signs. These are trendy and customizable, perfect for homes and offices. With simple tools, you can produce beautiful pieces that sell quickly. Plus, they allow for creative expression, making each piece unique and attractive to buyers. Another profitable idea is handmade wooden furniture like small tables, shelves, or stools. Though more time-consuming, these items fetch higher prices. Focus on quality and craftsmanship, and you can build a loyal customer base. Such projects are excellent for those looking to scale their woodworking business. Lastly, personalized wooden gifts, such as engraved keychains, photo frames, or nameplates, are always in demand. They are easy to produce in bulk and can be customized for special occasions. By marketing these gifts effectively, you can turn your woodworking passion into a profitable enterprise. Thank you so much for watching. We truly appreciate your support and hope you found this video helpful. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to Sari 11 Craft and Decor Inspiration Hub for more exciting DIY ideas and tips. Stay inspired and keep creating. Thank you again.